Cool. So this is the weekly update, and it's looking pretty good. Mental, absolutely mental what we got done this week. It's only a 4-day week, but in that 4 days we went from there being absolutely nothing here behind me to being a fully fledged shed. The only thing that we've still got to do is a few flashings here and there. Monday we had Sam up here as well, and we got most of the metal kind of steel structures. You see all of the strap bracings and top hats and little fly bracings and that kind of stuff all done. Tuesday we put on most of the roof. Wednesday we did this back wall and chucked in the rest of the roof. And then today was a small day. It's also Matt's birthday. Happy birthday, Matt. Today was a small day. We just put on the eave flashing. Is it the eave flashing? Yeah, the one right up top here. We put that up, and Matt and I did a real cool little detail out the back there. Pretty happy with how things are going at the moment. Just a few things to figure out on how far we're going to go right now. We'll see how we go, but for the most part, the two structures are standing up by themselves, all clad. Let's have a look around.
Yeah, so here you can see up there, that's my eave flashing that we put on today. That's also the nice little detail that we put on as well. What happens is there gets a cap all the way along there, we'll call the barge flashing, and then there gets some caps to cover these C-sections like we did on that one there. You can kind of see the darker pillar, so they will get capped, and yeah.
This is going to be the kitchen area. We're going to have a kitchen right along that back wall, so there's 1, 2 sinks, stoves, little pantry, fridges, and then it all kind of spreads out and looks out at the bush. Big area, big concrete pad. The camera can't quite do it as much justice as it should. I know, she's looking pretty cool. Look at that. That's the view. Oh, that's my face. Let's see the view. Once I move this, obviously. And then you come out here as well. Bit of a view there too. And then that's the toilet block that I've been working on. Let's go have a little look at that. That back half of the shed is closed in. Male, female, or male, female, I'm not sure. You can see the shower basins here, and again those shower basins look up at the forest, not the bush, the shower. In here you can see 3 basins on each side inside there, and there's going to be a wall that runs through here. Yeah, pretty straightforward on all of that. We did the doors. You might have seen a video about that, or will be seeing a video about that. The doors are pretty dope. Look at it, and there's the timber trail just over there. Cool, so if you want to see more of this, make sure you subscribe, Heaps more coming. I'm going to be doing these weekly things. I'm going to try my best to get them out every Friday afternoon or Friday evening, depending on how shuttles go. But, you know, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next week.
I'm going to say it again like an actor.
Yes.
Right. Nailed it. Screwed it actually.